A lot of devs argue which of these two ang better para sa REST APIs, pero ang totoong tanong dyan, are they even supposed to be Hello, ako si Justin. Yes, they're comparable, but they both handle routing, authentication, database queries, and controllers. So, in terms of purpose, as we know that Laravel is a PHP framework, while Node.js is a JavaScript runtime. Sa madaling salita, ang Laravel ay comes with a full ecosystem already, structured para sa back-end development. While Node.js is more like a toolbox, na kung saan you choose your own framework, like Express or Nest.js. Well, it gives you a lot out of the box, like authentication, validation, migrations, mails, queues, and rate limiting. Sa madaling salita, Laravel ay parang bahay, you just move in and start building. Node.js, on the other hand, is flexible and fast. If you like JavaScript, front to back, maganda ang Node.js para sa'yo. And kung gumagawa ka naman ng mga real-time apps like chats, live dashboards, notifications, ganyan, well, Node.js completely destroys Laravel in that area.